All right, our trees are completely dry and we are ready for our final layer of resin. And this exactly the same as all of the other layers. I'm going to flatten it out over the surface and then smooth it down over the sides. There we go, get it off that spatula there. So this being the final coat of resin, this one we really need to be extra careful about making sure to watch for the bubbles and pop them as they come up, and also watching for dust falling in it. The other layers of resin, it was important, it's a good habit to get into, but if something had happened to fall into it, we have other coats above it, so those would end up fixing it. So this one you need to be extra vigilant, because if something happens to land in it or you get a bubble at the surface, really the only way to fix it is either a little coat of resin on top or sanding it and a coat of resin on top, just depending on what the issue is. So preventative measures are always the best way to go. All right, we got it all over the top. Now let's flow it down the sides. Almost there. Make sure that it is completely covering each side. And the other thing, you want to make sure that the edges going over that they're covered as well. All right, removing the bubbles. All right, they are all popped. I'll be watching it for the first half an hour, probably an hour, just because this is the last coat, to make sure to pop anything that rises to the surface. I will see you tomorrow and we will start removing the drips from the back, which is one of my favorite parts. We'll see you then.